And it is day 51 or 2 or 3. I don't know. But what we know is that it's left with about 2 weeks. I don't know if Big Brother is going to add an extra week for the show, but it's left with about 2 weeks aside this one that we're on for the Big Brother Naija All-Star Season 2023 edition Season 8 to be done. And I mean, it's been a journey. It's been a journey of banters, fights, drags, both in the house and on here on the Jackson's channel, where we, drag our faves and insult each other. We don't even get time self. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to bring you an update on what happened last night, because there was a fight between Ilebaye and Ceec. And then, of course, we notice how Venita is confiding in somebody who is supposedly, probably, going to be considered her enemy. Now, this and more is all I'm going to bring you on this channel. So if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below, and also share this video so that more people can get to see. Now, just so you know, I do not attach Big Brother Naija videos to my videos because of copyright issues. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So during the early evening, or rather mid-afternoon or late afternoon yesterday, we noticed that Venita was having a conversation with Angel. Now, prior to that, she's been in good terms with, Adekunle, but it's been subtle. It's not been, like perfect or how she would want it to be. Reasons best known to her, which was related to a lot of things that happened within the weekend down to Sunday and Monday. Now, during the Sunday, we noticed how Ebuka exposed the letter issue and roped Ceec into it. Over the 1, 2, 3 days that we've been on since then, we've seen how Venita and Ceec have not really been talking, but of course, there's no evidence, fight or confrontation or stuff. Although Venita tore the letter and flushed it, and then here was Venita speaking to Angel, talking about how Adekunle is making it difficult for her and them. Now, according to her, Adekunle revealed to her, after being advised by Somadi and Angel, about what Ceec said. Now, Ceec said that come this week, she was going to dance and rock Adekunle. The way she said it, she didn't really care if he was going to permit it or not. Now, probably they laughed it off, but Adekunle did not confront or rebut what she said. And after being advised to tell Venita, Adekunle spoke to Venita and was like, so Ceec said she's going to rock me. And saying that, according to Venita, Adekunle is a trigger point for her. She was disappointed and hurt that Adekunle did not tell her this on time, not until after a few days, or not until after people encouraged him to tell her. She feels like typical him is in the flow with it. That is why he didn't talk to her about it. For example, she actually asked him, okay, when she said that, what did you do? What did you say? He was like, I'm like, oh my God, this is giving mommy and son vibe. Like, how do they manage this? I like their relationship, but there's just this thing that's going off. Right? Now, I understand that it might be from the fact that he's scared of how she would normally react and get bothered. That's why he doesn't easily get to tell her, or it's just his nature. But she needs to understand that there are better ways she could actually go with this. He needs to understand that he needs to understand her and the way she is, and be able to be honest and intentional about her from the onset. What if when Ceec told him that, he told her that, go happen, I get girl, no come around me, and then telling Venita, and she's asking, okay, so what did you do? He now tells her what he said. It will give her more confidence. She, according to Venita, she's surprised that Adekunle would only want to fight or defend things like when they're playing a game and somebody's cheating, he would go all out for it. But he feels like keeping things from her is the best way to protect her. And that really hurt her. And right now she's thinking that, you know what, if her right hand is going to be what will cause her whole body pain, she's going to cut it off. She's a black and white kind of person, and that's how she'll handle it. Now, according to that statement, she is saying that if Adekunle is going to be her problem, she'll cut off whatever it is in this house that she has with him, so that it doesn't cause her further problems in life and stuff. And at the back of my mind, I'm like, okay, the person you're actually talking about, you're talking to the wrong person about all these things, because Angel is the one who wrote that letter, and your reunion will be hot and crazy because of this thing. You confided in her. This was supposed to be the best time to talk to you about what she did, but she didn't. So it is what it is. And next in this conversation is the fact that Ilebaye's diary session yesterday was beautiful, was nice, was emotional, and I really understand. Now, I'm just going to give the highlights of her conversation. First off was the conversation about Doyin. She spoke about how she missed Doyin, how she now understands who her real friend is. She misses that they didn't really talk and settle their issues. She just really was at a point of wanting to, experience the house on her own without being always defended and always protected like a lost lamb or that kind of energy. Now, this is me just putting the right words according to what I understand. She went on to reveal to Big Brother how she was really hurt and angry that Doyin did not give her any letters while she gave people like Alex and Cece or so, if I'm not mistaken. And then Big Brother had to ask her, what if she gave letters to people she felt had her back at that moment? Now, I believe Big Brother was trying to make her know that this thing you're thinking, it might be the opposite. And she was like, but I had her back. Maybe not the way she wanted me to or the way she was doing it for me, but I had her back. I would not necessarily put my mouth to fight in cases like she would do, but I really had her back. She's like my real friend, and I hope that when we leave this show, by the time all this is done, when I'm out of this place, I will get to build our friendship back, get to be friends again and get close, as long as she wants it though. Like, she was getting emotional when she was talking about this. Of course, she got very much more emotional when she spoke about missing her mom, her dad, her family, and loved ones. Like, in this house, she feels like people are just ganging up against her, and she really needed to feel the love of family and people who wouldn't judge her, who wouldn't be in her face, just to want to compete and fight and spoil things for her. And in the long run, I really understand her. It's not easy, honestly. But, for what it's worth, I believe that when she comes out, she'll see the interview and other things and see that Doyin sees her in the same light and would want to build something major with her. And here I was saying that, it's going to be a week of love and light, but you lie. Not the only love I like, so mind leave in space. Okay, no, I wasn't supposed to do that. I was supposed to do something like, everybody's got this what's drawn to fight. Ooh. Anyways, that's what it seems Cece is up and about, because girl is not ready for anybody to talk her down, and not even the least favorite, according to her thought, housemate Ilebaye. Because these two had a bit of fight over Doyin, and I know and I hope Doyin is watching this, because Doyin also knows whom our true friends is or are at this point now that she's out of the house. So here was, the housemates. I don't know. I think they were still preparing for the task he had last night at Morning Point, or they were done with it. But I think they were still on. Or maybe they were done with it. Well, it doesn't matter. And, housemates, each housemate that gets evicted, their picture is being hung beside opposite the kitchen on the walkway to the dressing room. And housemates would go and kiss someone they loved, and most of the girls would put on lipstick and kiss. And here was Doyin. Here was Ilebaye. She gave Doyin 4 kisses, and then somebody went and wiped it all off and left one. maybe it might even be the one that wasn't really even showing. And it pissed off Ilebaye, who started shouting that I don't understand who is the person that will go and I would kiss Doyen's picture and the person would just go and clean all my kisses. The person had the liver. What nonsense is that? Everybody was shocked. They were looking at her and I said, clean what? What kiss? What are you talking about? People were really concerned as to, why would somebody want to do something like that? And then here was Sissy coming from where she was. Why is she shouting? I don't understand. Why are you shouting? It's me that clean it. And then what's her name? Ilebaye was like, why would you clean it now? I kissed her. Is it your business? And Sissy responded, yes, I cleaned it. She actually has real friends in this house. Why will you go and kiss full kisses everywhere? I cleaned it and left only one. And it was Doyin that told me she had real friends. See, first things first. I really hope it was not Doyin who told her that if Ilebaye kisses her picture, they should clean all and leave only one. Because I don't think anybody in their right mind would say people should clean off the kisses that other people had kissed her on her picture, right? But I feel that maybe Sissy was being petty by saying that, because that really hurt Ilebaye. And then they started going back and forth. Sissy was like, don't even try me because I will piss you tonight. You think I forgot what you did to me weekend? Was it about the pancake? Is it pancake? The foundation something of Sunday, or it is something else? Like Sissy, see, you guys will want to come for me, but I said this before and I'm saying this again. Sissy is a very vengeful person, and she'll come at you with all she has for something you did before and probably apologize for, or you didn't do intentionally. I really felt Ilebaye's hurt. I understand Sissy's point of view, but it's not your picture, so it's pointless. It's pointless. Like, it's crazy. Either way, while these guys are shouting and talking, here was Adekunle, when they mind the business, came to talk and was trying to shut or calm down Ilebaye in the wrong way by saying, she wasn't talking to you. Who are you talking to? Or something like that. And then Cross had to step in. I was telling Adekunle, you calm down, self. If they get their issues, no, they enter. She wasn't referring to you. After all, she would have faced you if it was you she was referring to. And Adekunle was trying to, defend himself. That's not what I was trying to do. And then his mommy J.O. came. Cross, why you be facing? Why you be sharp for him? I'm like, Venita, why are we getting to this point? Anyways, I wish that fight prolonged yesterday. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be bringing you updates as they hold back to back today. I haven't been dropping back to back since Sunday because of some issues, but it's been settled. The Lord is in charge. I'm going to see you in the next one. Let's not waste too much time on this one. Ciao, bye. Of course, share, comments down below, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, click on the bell button, so I'll see more of you.